Achieve App reviews, honest proof. I'm going to give you a very tangible reason to make you decide whether Achieve App is legit or scam. Okay, so all you have to do is to just go to Google and then type in the Achieve App. When it comes, just look through and then go to the official site of the achieveapp.com and then open it. It is going to bring you to this nice dashboard, and then when you look at the right hand side, we have rewards. I want you to click on it. When you click on it, it says Achieve Referral Points Giveaway. It is a giveaway, and then the last update was made on the 28th January 2022. It says that Achieve is giving away 200,000 points, which is worth 200,000 Ghana cedis for referring when they make their first top up. Here it says first top up. When you refer somebody through your link and then the person makes a first top up, you are going to earn this point, okay? And it is also for all existing and then potential Achieve users who are residents in Ghana and more than 18 years old. Achieve Apps is giving them the opportunity to have this also. So you earn 10 points for every referrer who makes a payment after signing up with your referral link, okay? That is the rule. The person has to sign up with your referral link. You earn 10 points, and then the person also earns 10 points when the person makes their first payment, okay, on Achieve, okay? So how does it work? The person has to download the Achieve app through their valid email address. The next thing that the person has to do is to subscribe to the Digi Save by filling out the Digi Save subscription forms right from the home page, and then make their first payment, okay? So after they have subscribed and then have used your referral link, then you are going to earn your 10 points. You can also use your referral username as well, and then when the person makes their first payment, you are going to earn your 10 points, which is equivalent to 10 Ghana cedis, okay? For existing users too, you can also get this point by upgrading your app version, okay? You have to upgrade it to 1.3 or above, and then you are going to earn this money as well. So you will earn 10 Ghana cedis for every referral, which is equivalent to 10 points when the person uses your referral link to make the first payment. And then over here it says that points will be earned on a first come first serve basis, okay? So it means that it is limited, and in addition they are saying that Achieve has the right to discontinue this giveaway program. It is not going to stay forever. As I said, it is a giveaway. It is not going to stay forever. So when you look here, it says that Achieve has the right to discontinue this program at any time. They can stop giving away the referral bonuses, okay? And then whenever they stop it, no matter the amount of point that you have gained, it is invalid when they stop giving away the giveaway. And then you are going to receive your earned referral bonuses within 30 days. From the first day to 30 days, they are going to give you the chance to redeem it in cash, okay? And then the minimum app version that is allowed is 1.311, and you can get it from the Play Store. You can update it or you can install it. And one most important thing is that points which are earned by participants who referred themselves by creating numerous email accounts just to sign up with a different email is deemed invalid, okay? When they find out, they are not going to give you the money. And then the app is available on Google Play Store as well as the App Store as well, okay? So they have also provided terms and conditions which you have to read it whenever you want to start, okay? So one of the important thing over here is that do not rely on this site for your financial decision, okay? They are providing a disclaimer, and then the account information available on this site is not the official record of your account. And then over here, they are saying that whenever there is unforeseen circumstances which could prevent them from performing their duties, they are not held responsible. All these things can happen, and then it is the art of God or causes which is not within their range, and then they are not going to be held responsible. One thing that you can note here is that you can join the Digit Save by just inputting your email address and then clicking on submit right here. They have also provided you to speak with a financial advisor concerning the investment. What you have to do is just click here and then input your full name, and then you input your email address, then you ask your question. So let's ask, is it safe to invest in Achieve? So after asking the question, all I have to do is just click on submit. So after submitting, it says that thank you for your message and it has been sent. So now let's go and check our email address and see. So it says that our message on is it safe to invest on Achieve? It says, hello, thank you for contacting us. Please be informed that at Achieve, we operate in partnership with fund management companies and other financial institutions that are licensed and regulated by Securities and Exchange Commission, which is the SEC. Additionally, all funds are held for safekeeping with a bank duly registered and licensed by the Bank of Ghana. You may also check out our licenses and regulatory documents in app. So if you have any further questions too, you can ask them. So you have your answer right here. So you can now decide whether Achieve is legit or not based on the facts that I have provided on the giveaway, which is non-permanent, and also this save message which have been sent as well. Let's go and look at this one too. So when you look at the right hand side, we have customer stories also here. So we have testimonies by several customers. This person is Kwesi, the artist, he's also saying how Achieve App has been good to him. Then Steven is also saying that Achieve App is doing great, and then Abina Asante is also giving a testimony that Achieve App is the best. So thank you for watching this video, and then see you in my next video.